Welcome to the Databricks Skill Builder series. We're glad you're here.
Hey everyone, my name is Michael Saltzman, and I'm a Specialist Solutions Architect with Databricks. Today, I'm excited to walk you through how to deploy Databricks using the Google Cloud Marketplace. First, what is the Google Cloud Marketplace? The Google Cloud Marketplace is a platform where you can quickly deploy various tools from different vendors, including Databricks, directly in your Google Cloud environment. We can see here the icon for Databricks to start our 14-day free trial, which is the method we are going to be focusing on today. So before deploying Databricks on Google Cloud, there are three main prerequisites which you want to have in place before you get started. First, you're going to want to have an active Google Cloud account and user with access to the console UI. Second, you're going to want to make sure that you have permissions to sign up to things in the GCP marketplace. Specifically, you are going to need the consumer procurement.orders.place on the billing account in order to sign up to this 14-day free trial. Next, you're going to need to decide on the Google Cloud project and select one before subscribing to anything in the marketplace. Lastly, you'll need to make sure that the account that you're using has specific permissions to which we will link in the description of the video, and you must have those in order to create a Databricks workspace in the GCP cloud. So the high-level process is to complete the prerequisite steps that we already discussed, and then choosing one of two options to sign up to the free trial. One is to sign up via the Databricks website via try.databricks.com, and there's a link which will attach to the video where you can sign up for the 14-day free trial. And the second way, which we're going to be walking through in this video, is how to sign up via the GCP marketplace. Then you're going to create your Databricks account, your Databricks workspace, deploy your first compute, and then follow the recommended next steps, which we will be showing later on how you can fully enable your environment, do advanced setup, and secure your environment going forward. So without further ado, I'm going to be showing you how to create a Databricks workspace. So here I'm in my Google Cloud environment, and I'm just going to first create a project. I'm going to name it Databricks Demo Deploy. And we can just quickly create this here. We don't need to have an organization. Then we're going to wait for our Databricks Demo Deploy to be created. So then once our Databricks Demo Deploy project is created, I'll just switch to that project. Then we're going to navigate to the marketplace. Inside of the marketplace, we're going to type in Databricks. We're going to click on Databricks here and subscribe to the 14-day free trial. Then you'll see here it's a free trial. Just going to select this account here as the billing account, and we're going to agree to the terms. And it's going to be a 1-month free trial. So we're just going to press subscribe. And then press sign up with Databricks. We're going to put in a company name. I'm just going to type Databricks Demo Company. And then sign up with Google. We're going to use this demo user here. Press continue. Then if we refresh, you're going to press Manage on Provider, press OK. Then we're going to type in that same user from earlier. Then it's going to ask us to select a subscription plan, which I'm going to select the premium subscription. And it's going to allow us to actually start that 14-day free trial. And here you go. Here you have access to the GCP Databricks account console. So now we're actually going to create a workspace. And we're just going to name it Databricks Demo Workspace. And we're going to select US East 1 as our region. And then we're going to put in the Google Project ID. So to get our Google Project ID, I'm just going to click here on Databricks Demo Deploy. And over here, you will see the project ID. So we're going to just select that. Now under Advanced, there's two options for your network. There's Databricks Managed Network and Customer Managed Network. For the purposes of this demo, we are going to proceed with the Databricks Managed Network. And then in another subsequent video, we will show how to create a customer managed network. So we're just going to press Save here to create the workspace. Again, select our user, press Continue. Select all here. It's just asking for access to 3 services. And now it's going to create the workspace. So if we just wait a little bit and we refresh the screen, it will show that the workspace is provisioning. So we're going to pause the video here and come back once the workspace has been provisioned. All right, so our Databricks workspace is now running, and we can go ahead and open our workspace. And again, I'm just going to sign with that user. Just continue, continue. And here we are. We're in our Databricks workspace. And in our workspace, we can see here a catalog. We can see some default catalog that was created for us. And we can see compute. We can create some compute here. And we can do everything that we can in a full-fledged Databricks environment. So now that our Databricks workspace has been launched, these are the next steps which you're going to want to follow. So in terms of next steps, we have some getting started tutorials which walk you through how to query and visualize data, create a table, building an ETL pipeline. Then we also have guides you can follow on how you can collaborate with coworkers to configure your how you can collaborate with coworkers, like implementing single sign-on, adding data into your environment. And lastly, we will link in the description on how you can define, deploy, and monitor security controls, which are the basic next steps before putting production data into your workspace. So if we click on one of the links here, you'll see the deploy layer, which we have a security reference architecture, Terraform templates, which you can use to deploy your next workspace in your GCP environment. So that's it. That's all I wanted to cover in this video. Thank you so much for listening in, and hope to see you on the next one. Thanks.